are doing random donuts only in rivals. Charit versus Arjun.
Yo, what's up, gang?
Yeah, what's up, gang?
Yeah, Charit is absolutely noob. He's an RPG spammer, by the way.
I don't. Nobody needs it.
No, I'm going random. He's not.
RPG spammers are L's.
Nobody wants your opinion, man.
Everybody
I would
wants.
use a shotgun.
Oh, I got a revolver. It's very random loadout.
We all believe that you use shotgun. Yeah.
He does.
I do, dumbass.
Yeah, but it's on your alt account.
No, that's not his all. That's his main.
Yeah, this is my old.
Bro, barely.
You don't even have a main anymore.
He doesn't even have his main anymore. Damn.
Oh, shit.
The gun is absolutely ass.
No, RPG spam.
Yay!
RPG spam.
Bro, it's the only weapon I have.
Wait, no. I got a crossbow.
You there, RPG spammer L.
Nobody wants to use a damn AR.
I would. If I could.
Yeah, I won't. I don't want to be a shitty RPG spammer.
Actually, you used to be a.
Yeah, even you used to be RPG spammer.
I used to. Now that I got my mouse.
Oh, go.
Now that I got
50-50.
Now that I got my sniper, I'm not an RPG spammer. Hello.
RPG man.
You didn't even hit me, by the way.
Yeah, because you're RPG main.
Yeah. Hey, I got chainsaw one key, but I didn't even use it.
I got a sniper.
Let's see how you went.
RPG versus sniper. The final.
No chainsaw man. No, don't use that.
RPG versus sniper. The ultimate showdown.
How did I not hit me? If you spam one more round, I'm not going to spam. Stop spamming.
Stop spamming.
No, this is my wish I can.
You're a noob.
Okay, you can call me whatever you want.
Yeah.
Wait.
He's a noob. He's a noob. You both are literally next to each other and you're trying to hide. Arjun and Dam, you both are literally next to each other and you're trying
Stop narrating, man. Nobody wants your shitty narrates.
and
Oh my god, what's that?
Uzi.
Oh, okay. Understandable.
Don't think this video will get cancelled.
No, hell no.
Hello.
Yeah, we said a lot of swear words.
But we can keep it not for kids, right?
Yeah.
And whoever is hearing this, I'm very sorry for Javon's abuse, child abuse.
What did I do?
You're child abusing.
Charit is a literal noob with RPG.
I knew you were gonna come down.
Yeah, because you both are literally next to each other.
Where are you?
Bro, I got him. I got a bow as my primary, man.
Delay.
I know.
Both kind of good. It's not ass.
It's very dookie ass.
Yeah, it's kind of good.
Can I pick my loadout?
You can double.
I'll not go.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm going a normal loadout.
Yeah, because this two is literally spamming. This two is spamming RPG.
Time for you.
Next one we're banning RPG.
No, man, I don't care. It's my only weapon.
It's your only
And I'm
weapon.
not using a damn
You have
shitty.
spray. You have chainsaw. You have grenade. You have
Fine,
way more weapons.
I'll use this damn spray.
Spray.
He'll lose. I have a AR.
Everyone has a AR.
But I'm too good. Look at my aim with this AR.
AR requires so much aim. Your aim is actually. Where were you shooting?
Bro, like he was actually running.
He wasn't running, he was lagging.
I'm gonna do a
Yes, I
sniper.
was lagging.
I'm gonna do a sniper. Next time I'm doing burst because I haven't got burst once.
Sniper versus RPG. Showdown number 2.
Obviously RPG wins.
No, obviously sniper wins.
Hell no.
On close range, closest RPG will win. But
Stop
now,
hiding.
I'm not hiding completely on the middle of map.
Look at me. Am I hiding, Jeevan?
no, you're just on top.
Am
of
I
everything.
hiding?
Just blow his head off. You know where each other are. You're literally next to each other IRL.
I don't.
You can literally look at other screens.
No screen.
Well,
Wait.
I am scared.
No! I told you the RPG was banned.
Now I'm going burst. Hey, let me switch my.
Why is M working?
I don't have no clue.
What the?
Oh, yes, I know.
Yeah, you know that. Look, bro, I hit a 25 off of the bat because I'm so good. Why the his lag is actually saving him?
Yeah.
Absolutely no way Slag is saving him. You just got killed.
My aim is crazy.
In Bozo using RPG as a noob.
Let me use a cross.
RPG spam on noob. Bro, I have seven primaries. This
Nobody
dude has
cares.
this dude has 2 primaries.
It's my alt account, dumbass.
So okay.
Fine, I'll go married. With the same chains.
Rather the chains was actually overpowered.
Nope. Run away. Nope.
Next match, use AR instead of RPG.
My leg, save me, my dear leg. My dear leg, I really need you to defeat Arjun. He has 4 points. Thank you very much.
I chainsawed him.
Drop the supremacy ball.
Damn.
GG. You actually did good. Is it still recording? Damn.
7 minutes for match. 7 minutes for match is absolutely crazy.
Because of Cherry. Oh, I'm facing against. You can face against somebody random, Cherry. We'll face against
Can I use
random.
my POV now, please?
No.
Why? What right?
Because your computer is lagatron.
Alright.
And you know that for a fact.
Alright.
No, let's change POVs.
No, bro, they're gonna cry at the Cherry's screen.
Bro, chill.
I mean, bro is at a freaking 3 FPS right now.
Yeah. That's exact.
Dear lag, please work. I don't need you right now. Please don't lag. Thank you very much.
3 FPS is crazy, little bro.
What? I still managed to get 3 points on Arjun with 3 FPS, man.
Yeah,
Chill.
because you are an RPG spammer.
What do you mean? What do you expect me to use? Like 3 FPS.
Don't you just heat that clean
Wait.
it up?
Bro, I'm gonna use a knife.
Let's go.
Knife, yeah, boy. This is the knife showdown.
Bro, stop saying showdown, dumbass. Nobody wants your ass showdown.
Narrating.
Nobody wants your. Bro, you're narrating me that, please.
And your FPS is ass.
Okay, why? What my FPS do?
Bro, I beat him at his own game.
What did my FPS do to annoy you?
Oh, you're facing a level 10 mobile.
Your FPS is absolutely so ass.
If you lose to a level 10, you're actually.
No, it's level 90, dumbass.
No, he's level 10, I saw.
90, he's 90. Come see again, dumbass.
Ha! See? Oh, yeah, he's 90. I'm facing off against a level 151 and I'm beating him.
So 151, you're basically on the same level.
No, I'm 140.
Yeah, but skill is still same. There's no skill difference.
Actually, I'm better.
Yeah, but still, there's barely any skill difference.
But there should be skill.
Yeah, there is, but there's barely.
There should be skill difference.
No, this guy's pure aimbot.
I actually clipped that on my phone.
Bro, this guy's pure aimbot. He has a damn sniper.
Then use a katana. I forgot. You're too broke.
Bro, this is my alt account. If you
You don't even have a katana on your main. What do you mean?
You lost your main, so it's technically your main now.
Ha! I'm beating this guy at his own game.
I love 4
am drinking.
Bro, say I'm not Fulton, dumbass.
Yeah.
Arjunas.
14 is a good guy.
Bro, I literally was here. How did he snipe me from here? Bro, I'm gonna crash.
It's called Yama System. And this is called Yama System.
Gamma Rush.
What the fuck are you saying?
GG.
I said that from blocks with control food.
Of course you. Of course, I forgot. Oh, 60?
Come.
60?
Step on the pad, somebody.
Feels so close to dying.
Let's change POVs. Let's change POVs.
No. Bro, they're gonna flame him.
No.
They're gonna.
I don't care if I get flamed. At least
No, stop. They're not the one recording.
Oh, come on. He needs a POV, at least.
And bro, Charit, I'm doing this for your own good.
No, I
I
don't
don't-
want. No, come. I don't care. Please.
No, I'm not giving you the POV.
What do you mean you're not giving me?
No!
You can
No! Hell no! No! We are recording. We've been Arre! Jayantish, if you don't. Bro, stop that!
Why
Because of you, guys.
is it down? Yeah, good. That's good.
Charit, stop that.
Those are 14.
When you're winning 2-0, I'll give you the POV. But if you're not winning, I'm not winning.
If you're putting 14 in your name, how about you put a little broskies in your name? Would be much better, right?
Yeah, would be much.
FA40 is food.
That FF, Fulton family is FF. 14.
40 is on top.
Fulton family is the best top.
Four is the best. Four is the best.
Fulton family is the best.
Well,
Should we play on a private? This way it's actually equal.
Hell no, you're gonna use a grenade launcher for your entire life.
Yes, I'm gonna.
I knew
So
it.
what? You can use it too.
yeah,
Hello.
unskillful guy who barely has any weapon.
Fine. I use a sniper.
Look how fastly he leveled up. 14 to 16 in like 2 matches.
Join my private, I'll join you.
Fine.
I'll finish this match. It's 2-1.
Can please put my POV?
No. When I'm racing against you, no POV for you.
Why? What did I do?
Your ass.
Your ass. Look at your FPS first.
Yeah, and then you can.
Fine. I'm gonna go to settings and actually keep high FPS.
Bro,
How you can keep high FPS?
you can't.
It matters about your computer.
Yeah, it matters on how good you are.
No, it matters about your computer.
There is Roshan. It matters on how good you are.
Wait, let me.
FPS equals bad.
Graphics card.
35 FPS is good.
I am gonna.
Okay.
I'm gonna switch it. I'm gonna reduce the graphics quality so I get high FPS.
Bro, we're actually going to get good comments about how I'm so good.
Yeah, but just forget about it.
What's a good camera sensitivity?
I don't know. I don't even have mine.
Half.
Huh? What the frick do you mean?
What do you mean half? It's gonna be like 5. What do you mean 5?
5 is actually ass. Give 3.
3.
2.
Okay, fine, 2.
Not 3.
2 bars.
3 bars better. Bro, what is... Bro, just put 8 bars. Not like 8, 9 bars.
Okay, now join my private man.
I'll give 3 bars enough.
Join my private.
Yeah. Then this is the ultimate skill.
If you guys want to friend me, my username is brain.13045.
And my username is you.
I don't care.
Nobody cares
Your
about you,
username
man.
is the randomest username.
Bro, nobody cares about your username. Why would they care about username if they not care about us?
Mine is better. Yours is actually good.
Your brain
This
was-
guy's username is 1IRR06. And this guy's is Fattytron36.
Rogue. That's basically what he means.
No, it is 6. Hero 6.
Hero 6.
Hero 6.
Hero 6. No.
Bro, join my
It's
private.
Rogue.
Chill too, join my private.
Chill.
6 equals D and 1 equals I.
You want to use my mouse?
Yeah, sure. You can use mine.
Yes, I will try.
Let's.
No.
Do you think that this is enough? It's 15 minutes. I think we should end the video. It's 15 minutes.
Nah, we shouldn't.
It's anything. It's 15 minutes, bro.
It's not, bro. Your mouse is not even working. It's so bad. What is your mouse?
Look at this. 15
The
minutes.
color is not working. Oh, yeah, mouse doesn't. My laptop is.
No, it's
Different versions
I'm
of
not
the
using
laptop.
your laptop. Yeah, we have different versions of our laptops.
Yeah.
That's the reason.
Mine is very
Let's end the video here.
And mine is new.
Let's end the video here. Should we end the video? Why?
Bro, shut up.
Yeah, you go end it. In your own house. Go to your house and end it.
Bro, 15 minutes is a lot. Would you watch a video that's 15 minutes, or would you?
Yes.
Somebody would watch a half an hour video just like
Some
that.
people will watch 2-hour videos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like that thought it's like 25 minutes.
But those videos are movie in there. This is not a movie. This is just a video game.
This is so good.
Yeah.
Man, John, man, we're sorry for this delay. We're really sorry.
My laptop is very dookie. It takes a lot of time to load. So yeah. Finally loaded.
Yeah.
Please laptop work for me. Laptop, I have to kill him once. Laptop, please laptop.
You can't kill him with RPG spam.
That is with grenade spam. Or a shotgun.
But you don't have skills, so you can't do anything.
I can. Excuse me.
If you use VR rollers, I'm gonna use VR.
Okay, after this video, let's do a matchup. Let's see who wins.
Fine. Of course, I'm gonna.
You're not going to win, but we're gonna do it on this account.
One
versus my
sec,
account.
technical difficulties. Okay, yeah.
This account versus my account.
No, just narrate, man. You're a narrator. Just narrate. Don't give side options.
Yeah, bro, and stop wiggly dancing to your death.
Yeah.
Well, we've been watching you for the past 5 minutes wiggly dancing.
Yeah. Literally.
Play any map?
No, don't keep Onyx.
Onyx,
No, I'm picking Arena.
construction,
I'm picking Splash.
Arena.
music.
Legacy Onyx.
No, let's do-
Legacy Onyx. Legacy Sandbox. Legacy Sandbox.
No, I'm not.
West Town.
What the hell is this map?
Don't use a weird loadout.
I'm using any loader. That's a
But
weird idea.
Legacy. What's Legacy Sandbox? Is it just the bigger sandbox?
No, it's the old sandbox.
Huh?
Remember this sandbox?
Oh, this is the old sandbox.
Yeah, now it's like a thing, right?
Now it's like a whole sand park.
Yeah.
I remember watching people play this. I think that's anything up.
Of course, you minigun spammer.
Bro's FPS is so bad. 2 FPS. Chat. Check this on 2 FPS.
Chat.
Wait, I'm in 6 FPS. Bro, chill. I'm literally on 6 FPS. What the fuck do you mean I should beat Arjun with this FPS?
Fine, I'll go
More like
random.
2 FPS.
I went random.
I won matches at 6 FPS. Like
Oh,
literally.
it's 2, bro. It's barely even working.
I won matches at 6 FPS.
Arjun is like 150 FPS or
No, I'm
something.
not.
It's 37.
Try my ring all.
There's no ring.
There's nothing. Oh my god. Why you have to jump scare me?
We still have like. Let's end the video at 30 minutes.
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
That's when our timer rings.
Damn, bro, I think you're gonna kill me. My random loadout was on the bus.
Oh my god. Where are you? You're here.
Exogun is absolutely as well.
You are actually 30. Are you serious? Fine, I'll actually lock in with
2
like
FPS is
14 FPS. Yeah, let's see what I can do with like 2 FPS.
My average FPS is like 35.
Same.
14 probably, if I'm lucky. My highest.
Yeah, but if you're unlucky, like usual,
1 FPS.
yeah. What?
Of course, Dheeraj. Bro, every time I die on you being 30 HP.
Just don't worry about the yelling. It's what Asian parents do.
Yeah.
We're Asian, unlike you're North Americans or American. You don't know the pain. You don't know what a belt feels like.
Probably.
They give up.
Damn, you're hooked. You're hooked.
I give up. I literally give up. How am I supposed to cook you with like 2 FPS?
Yeah, I want a matches at 6 FPS, not 2 FPS. That's good. 2 FPS is good.
Bro, I'm literally like switching screens. It's like an album, like a PowerPoint presentation.
PowerPoint.
Wait. Look how bad it is. It's like a PowerPoint presentation. Yeah, this is.
Should we let the fans see this?
Shut up. No, please, bro. Fine, you can use it. I don't.
What the
Stop now. No. In general for you.
Bro, chill. Just let me do it.
Now after that.
Hey, is this going on Lil Broski's?
No.
Of course.
Oh, it's going on my channel.
Lil Broski's too. It's called
Auntie, నాది పెట్టినా నాది ఇంకా రింగ్ అవ్వను.
8 minutes not. 1. See, video also will end in 8 minutes. We can perfectly.
Yeah.
Just press join. That's very easy. Okay, you get to pick the map and I'll go random.
Absolutely smash. No, actually arena.
No,
Small arena, not big arena.
Okay.
West Town.
Yeah, sure, West Ham.
West Town is chill.
Why are we not in the game?
I'm in the pad.
I'm also. Oh, okay. Huh?
West Town is chill.
We got West Town.
What the fuck? Is this? Is Nazni listening to us and actually giving
No,
us a-
he's listening to you. What the freak? He actually got West Town.
What the? Sniper and energy pistols are just.
You bet I'm gonna be spamming the sniper.
Go, Ted.
You can't spam the sniper. You can only aim and snipe. Grenade launcher spammer.
Yeah, snipers, man. You only do snipes.
Sniper is.
You can't spam
Snipe is what? A spamming load of can't even hit me.
Charit, I can hit you right now.
Escape.
Yeah, bro, escape. Yeah, bro, escape. Yeah, bro, escape. Yeah,
Check
bro,
this
escape.
nigga Arjun's screen right now.
Yeah, bro, escape. Damn, I missed that easy. Damn. Let me just energy bishop.
Energy. Damn.
One second. Let me.
I have to go to the bathroom real quick.
Yeah, you can go.
Ah, shit, I'm out of. Wait, how do I get in zone? Wait, chill. Wait, no.
That's actually a good play by you. Okay, let me go random.
Okay, I know I glitched.
Oh yeah, my random loadout is gonna beat you.
Okay, let's do that glitch that is on YouTube. Then I really need to.
Bro, what is this aiming with the minigun? Oh.
Wait, what? Hey! I thought it was. Hey! Chill!
Why is the water coming up?
Be serious.
Bro, there's no water. You have to throw water inside. Throw water with
How can you throw water?
a bucket. Jared always does it.
Yeah.
I don't.
I do it in his house. You're not Indian. You have to throw it in. Did you pee or poo?
I'm Asian.
Did you pee or poo?
I pee.
Okay.
Why would I
let's
poop
go.
that? Why? Who could poop that fast?
Me.
Nah, you're just a word.
Okay, ఇప్పుడు టైం ఎంత?
7:22.
ఇషాన్ ఇంకా ట్యూషన్ ఉందని చెప్పు.
7:22.
How am I missing you?
It's 7:22.
Auntie, do. ఎట్లన్నా లూజ్ అవుతా.
We'll play for a time and then we'll go.
Yeah.
Even you're invited, Arjun?
No,
I'm not invited.
I'm not invited.
I'm invited. It's called Vidushi birthday. It's a
Then your friends.
No, we are not. Her Vidushi mother knows my mother, so invited me.
Yeah,
My
yesterday I
mother
heard them talking.
Yeah.
Fine. Charit, pick my weapons for the next game. Entire game.
Okay.
Pick my weapons for the entire next game. No, Jayant can pick.
Please, bro. Bro, do
No,
you
you're gonna pick something like nothing, and nothing. Jayant.
Wait, what?
I think very good loadouts.
Well, you should have just died there to end your misery. Come on, bro.
I gave a very good loadout.
Come on. Shoot down.
I don't have all the weapons in that loadout, but I think the loadout is good.
Shoot me.
Where are you?
Yes.
Bro, I have 2 FPS. Chill.
Shoot me.
I can't.
Shoot on the floor, yeah. One more time. Shoot on the floor.
Ring number auntie నేను పెట్టినా.
Time to medkit.
Hey.
Seriously?
Hey! I got you
Where am
one.
I going?
You're going in
Hi.
circles, but
Hi.
and you're absolutely going to get
I'm-
sniped by Arjun.
How would I miss that?
Because he was moving them, eh? Charit's FPS is getting better by the second.
It's called frames per second.
FPS. It's called FPS, okay?
Again, come.
Guys, it's 27
Can I
minutes.
pick the loadout, please?
Yeah, you. No, Jayant.
Please pick terrible loadout.
This is the last game we're playing. guys.
I have way more weapons than this dude.
Because it's my dummy. I should come down.
No, you don't even have a main. You lost it. Press join.
No, stop.
ఈ లాస్ట్ గేమ్ ఆట
Auntie,
నా కూడా ఉంది లాస్ట్ గేమ్ చూడు 2 minutes ఈ లాస్ట్ గేమ్ లాస్ట్ గేమ్
After
పిక్
air,
యా
NL pistols, chainsaw, jump pad. This is a very random but good loadout.
సో ఓకే నోడా
Yeah. Because it doesn't have sniper. But AR is good too.
Yay, I learned how to place my... Bro!
and I learned how to chainsaw.
Hey, stop using my methods.
Hey! Flame! Seriously, flame? What the?
Yeah, flame. What do you want?
You know I taught you that method. Pick.
Pick the same. Flamethrower? About flare gun?
Bro!
No, flare gun.
Fish.
Fish the?
Molly. This is the fire loader. We are playing fire loadout. Today we are doing fire loadout. So,
Just don't worry about the mixing and all that shit. It's an agent thing. You all just use dishwashers. We don't even know what a dishwasher means.
I didn't even get to use my flamethrower. I just mollied and played him to death. Okay, what? I'll use default.
Default looks good.
Default
It's actually kind of good though.
For me it is good.
For everyone it is
But I'll use a medkit.
Except legendary weapon spammer and RPG spammer.
Luckily I picked the medkit.
Luckily! Chainsaw!
Yeah bro, you can chainsaw all you want.
Wait, where are you?
I full medkit.
No, okay.
Where are you?
Most of these weapons
Okay,
don't even have
bro,
wrap.
nowhere to be seen.
We don't even
I
have
am
most of
nowhere.
these weapons.
Technology and all. Promise no way.
That's mine.
Anyways, guys, this is the end of the video.
No, it's not.
Peace.
It's not.
It's not.
We have this last game.
Yeah. We'll finish
Yeah,
that.
wait. Us landing at the same time.
Yeah, because we set it at the same time.
Bro, off the ring.
Somebody do it because I ain't doing it.
How about you just cover your ears and just look at the gameplay?
Yeah, bro. Shit. No, we can off the thing.
No.
Press escape and off the thing.
Wait, you also do it.
I did.
Can you wait, please?
Fine. I'm picking my new loader.
Just wait a little.
Restart. Just press restart. Go back to Roblox.
After this match, we just go back.
Guys, I'm on techie.
RPG spammer Cherry.
Hey,
RPG spammer.
you shut the fuck up and not. I'm gonna use swear words now. You're making me use swear words because I'm not even using a damn RPG.
Yeah, but you are RPG
No,
spammer.
stop making me use swear words, man.
It's just a
Let me just
skill
hide
issue,
in the
man.
corner and bet it.
Actually,
It's just a skill issue. It's
okay,
just a
I actually hate it. Nobody cares.
Ha! Everyone cares. Check the comments. Everyone be saying El Cherry RPG spammer.
But I'll go random for this last one. Oh damn. Yep.
I'll go melee for this round.
Go random. Just use your weapons.
Fine.
Why are you just walking somewhere random? Yeah, just go inside.
I waited for you like 2 minutes to notice, but you didn't. So.
I have.
Yeah. This is the end of the video. Peace, guys. Let's go.
Peace.